Hi everybody, so welcome to Liabab channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate videos using AI and completely free. Plus at the end of the video I'll show you how to edit them. The video I've created for you is about a perfume advertisement. Let's watch it. First, we need a good scenario for our video. Let's go to chatgpt.com and write a scenario for introducing a perfume product. It gives us a pretty good scenario. Of course, we can change it however we want. And now we ask it to turn this scenario into 5 scenes and write a good prompt for each scene. Alright, that's done too. Now with the prompts we got, we need to generate suitable images which we'll later use to create our video. To generate high quality images, we head over to app.leonardo.ai. We log in, then from the left menu, we choose the image section. We get 150 tokens daily. In the prompt box, we paste the first prompt we got from ChatGPT. And also we select the Flux 2 model from the left menu. Then we click on the Generate button to create the images we want. This model costs 40 tokens to generate 4 images. I've already made a video on how to generate high quality images, including using Leonardo, so I won't go into the details here. If you're interested, watch that video. We wait for the images to generate, and here we go. An image of a stylish man walking down the street. We just download the images that fit our needs. I'm downloading the first and the last ones. Then we move on to the next prompt. Paste it here again. Since the first image was of a man, I write the second prompt about a man too. And in front of a perfume shop. To keep a consistent style across all scenes, there are 2 ways. First, describe your character's features in every prompt, which I didn't do here. And second, that I'm going to use here is using the attach image option to upload a previously generated image so that the character and the style stay consistent. In our case, the character is a man wearing a navy blue suit and brown shoes in a warm colored environment. From the upload section, we select the image we want and hit generate. With a free plan, you can generate fewer than 4 images at once. And since we need images for 6 different scenes, we'll need 2 Leonardo accounts. Sometimes you might not get the exact result on the first try. Just keep generating until you get the images you like. For example, I wasn't happy with the first batch, so I generated again. This time the first image looks good, so I downloaded this. We continue like this until we have all the scenes completed, and now it's time to animate these images. We go to runwayml.com, click Try Runway Now, log in. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter it and then you'll get to the main page. Click Generate Video And then from the left box, click on Select Asset and upload the image you want to animate. Even without adding a prompt, Runway usually adds good motion effects automatically, but you can always use ChatGPT to write a prompt too. Click Generate. You can create 5-second or 10-second videos. With the free plan, you get only 125 tokens. 5-second videos cost 25 tokens and 10-second videos cost 50 tokens. For now, 5-second clips are enough for our project. You can generate around 5 videos with a free account. Sometimes you won't get the perfect videos on the first try, so it's better to have 2 accounts to generate more videos. Of course, you can still improve the videos with editing afterwards, but it's better to generate the videos that you're happy with at first. Okay, that's done. We download the video. Let's generate one more. For example, this one. A man is walking. Here, the man is walking backward. But no worries, we'll fix that during editing. And another scene is ready. We continue generating videos like this until we complete the whole scenario. Now is the time to edit and put everything together. But first, we have to do 2 things quickly. First is reversing the backward video so the man walks forward. And second, we should find a good background music track. To reverse a video, we go to easygif.com/reverse-video. Click Choose File and upload the video you want. And upload. Then click Reverse Video. And download the reversed version. For background music, we can ask ChatGPT to suggest copyright-free tracks for perfume ads. I asked it before and it gave me a link. And I'm gonna download the suggested music from here. Now on to editing. Of course, it's better to use professional software like Adobe Premiere or Camtasia. But today I'm gonna use a free website that doesn't add a watermark just to keep it simple. If you want a full tutorial on video editing, let me know in the comments or via the Telegram link in the description. Just head over to canva.com/videos, click on Edit Video, upload your video files and the music file. Once the uploads are complete, start arranging the clips based on your scenario. Click anywhere on the background to see the timeline, then drag and drop the videos one by one. To make the story more meaningful, I even added a romantic scene. Move the playhead and check each clip to edit them properly. For example, in this video, perfume is being sprayed from both sides. We'll keep only the side facing the man and cut the rest. But before cutting, slow down the video so it doesn't get too short and also gives a nice slow motion effect. To cut a video, place the playhead where you want. Select the video by clicking on playhead. Click the cut option and delete the unwanted part. Also, the walking clip still has a slight backward movement even after reversing. We cut out the part where it goes wrong. Same with the perfume spray video. We trim it and slow it down to make it better. Once all clips are fine, let's add simple animations to each scene. Click the clip you want. I click on the first one here. Open the Animate menu and pick an animation that looks good. It seems like some of them don't work. Okay, it's working. And apply the animation to all pages. Now let's add the background music. Drag it to match the whole video length. Play it and find the best starting point. Finally, to make the scenario even more engaging, we'll add stylish captions to each scene. Click on the video and from here, select Add a text box. And double-click the text to edit. And for example, set font size to 50. And it's white. It's okay. And use the Play for Display font. And position the text wherever it looks best. We also add animations to the text. Click on the text. Click on the Animate from the menu and choose a nice effect. And we do the same for all the text. Here's the final result. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.